Okay, today we're going to look at how to make a flipped classroom video using Quicktime's screen record. So the first thing we need to do is find QuickTime and launch QuickTime Player. It's in your applications. A quick way to find it is go up to the right hand corner of your screen and you'll see a little magnifying glass. Click on that and it's a search engine for your whole computer called Spotlight. Type in QuickTime and just double click on QuickTime. So it'll launch the player, but you won't see any kind of window open. In the top left hand corner it will just say QuickTime Player, so you know it's launched. Go to File and scroll down to New Screen Recording and click on that. You're going to see this little player open up, the screen recording player, with a little record button in it. But first we need to make sure there's audio recording along with it and it's not just a picture. So you see a little tiny arrow pointing down, and click on that and it'll give you some options. So we want to click on built-in input, so the internal microphone, which is just above the keyboard on the top left hand corner. So make sure your hand or your finger isn't covering it while you're recording. So we'll click that on. So now we're ready to record. So you click the red record button and it'll ask you to either click the screen if you want to do a full screen record, or to drag over, use the mouse to drag over the section of the screen that you want to record if you don't want to record the whole screen, if you just want to record a small window or something. Okay, so record that. While it's recording, the little screen recording icon will stay on your screen, but it will be invisible on the actual recording. When you're finished recording, just press stop. If you lose your screen recording icon, the stop button will be at along the very top of your screen, sort of next to your Wi-Fi and battery icon and screen display icon at the very top to the right. And you'll see a little stop button and you can press it. Okay, so here we're left with our recording. As you can see in the double window, this is our recording. So it is already saved as in, I believe it goes to your movies or your documents, and it's saved just as screen recording. So before you close it, you want to name it. So before you close your actual video window, we want to go up to File and go to Export and click Export. This is going to leave us into this window, and you can name it and you can decide the area you want to save it in. You can put it in movies or switch it to your desktop. Also, you can format it to Mac and PC as it is here, or you can do advanced formatting and choose the size if you want it to be a smaller size or a bigger, more high quality size. Okay, so that's essentially it for QuickTime screen recordings that you can use in your flat classroom projects.